Ever felt your workshop spiral into chaos while participants zone out? Facilitators face this daily, battling disengagement, messy group dynamics, and forgotten action items. This pack fixes that with smart agenda frameworks, liberating structures exercise templates, Thomas Kilmann conflict mode navigators, and Trello Jira integration blueprints. Whether you're a consultant herding executive stakeholders, a corporate trainer redesigning onboarding, or a team lead running sprint retrospectives, we've got your chaos under control. Because winging it shouldn't be your only strategy. Here's what's inside the workshop facilitation pack: agenda design with time boxed phases and pre work alignment checklists, interactive exercise library featuring World Cafe protocols and 6 Thinking Hats canvases, group dynamics modules for handling hijackers, building consensus, and real time sentiment mapping, action item tracking with racy matrices and automated follow up workflows. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. No more whiteboard nightmares, just proven frameworks that deliver results. Installing the Workshop Facilitation Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add workshop-facilitation-pack. That's it. It downloads 12 structured workshop blueprints, 40 plus exercises, and 7 dynamic tracking dashboards. Your next Claude Code session auto loads the entire workflow. No config needed. Your AI assistant now masters agenda scaffolding, participant engagement triggers, and conflict de escalation scripts. No PhD in workshop herding required. Just run, adapt, and watch your chaos transform into measurable outcomes.